Hi friends, how are you? I'm sure that you must be busy with your preparation and spend most of hours after study. Friends, today I have made this video for a special reason to solve the common problem among students regarding their study, regarding the result they want after study, after spending a lot of hours in a day after study. There is a common problem among the students, and I think you must have that problem. You must have faced this problem, and presently you also face this problem while you study. And that is, in spite of spending a lot of hours after study, doing a lot of hard work, arduous work, you think you cannot get exact or desired result. Sometimes you, at the end of the day, after studied really hard, spending so many hours, at the end of the day you could not retain the information in your mind regarding your study, the topic you have read, you have studied during the day. So why it happens so? What is the reason? Today we will try to find out the reason, and if you understand this common reason, this root cause, the obstacle in the way of your study that keep you away from the desired result, and if you succeed to remove it from your life, particularly when you study, you will definitely get improvement in your study, in your retention power, and you will get the desired and maximum result of your efforts. Distraction means disturbance. There are so many distractions in our life, particularly mobile, television, internet are all the modern forms of distractions, and we are so much habituated to these distractions that willingly or unwillingly we spend a lot of time after such distractions, particularly when we study, when we are doing any important work. In between that work, we feel a strong urge to check our mobile, to talk to someone, or we stand up to go to washroom, we stand up to eat something, and by this way we spend or lose a lot of important time in between the study. So now we think that we pass so many hours after study, but we forget one thing. During that time period, we also give importance to these useless distractions, and as a result, you can't get the exact reward that you should have got. So now you can understand my concern, what I want to say, what I am explaining you. Friends, there is also a simple experiment that you can do and find out the exact hours that you really spend after study. You just need to have two clocks. Now suppose you start your study at 7 o'clock in the morning and you study for 3 hours, means 7 to 10. So when you start your study at 7 o'clock, start both of the watches. Clock first means clock A and clock second means clock B. So you don't need to touch clock B. But whenever you divert your attention, means whenever you take your mobile, whenever you stand up from your study, whenever you divert your mind from study, you go for washroom, talk to someone, take your mobile, go for drink water. At that time, stop that watch. And again, when you start your study, then start the watch again. Do this as many times as you divert or stand up from study. At the end of 3 hours, means at 10 o'clock, the untouched watch shows you exact 3 hours. But the watch that you stopped and started shows you the exact hours that you spend after your study. So this is a very simple formula by which you can exactly find out the hours, and if there is any misunderstanding in your mind, will be removed by this way, because we think that in fact we spend a lot of hours after study, but exactly in fact it doesn't happen, because we know unknowingly or unwillingly give much importance to such useless activities, and we lose a precious time. Now, by applying this experiment in your study, you can exactly get the idea of the hours that you spend after study. It is an eye-opener experiment. So please apply this experiment in your life, in your student life. In initial level, it will be very difficult for you to stay away from such distractions, because we are so much get habituated to such distractions that we feel strong urge after some time to attend such activities. But if you be strong, keep control or desire, I am sure that you will cultivate the habit of studying or doing any work without applying or giving attention to such distractions. There is also a scientific research. It says that if a person does any activity for nearly 21 days, means 3 weeks, at a particular time for a particular period, it will become habit, and then it will be very comfortable for him to do that activity in the way he wants. Okay friends, here I stop this video. I hope you can understand my concern and improve your study. Thank you.